Hello friends, so guys, in this video I will show you, teach you, I will tell you how you can make neon logo inside of After Effects using Saber plugin, which is 100% free, and I will recommend you can download the software and use it because the software is very unique, very amazing and very powerful. So without wasting any more time, let's begin into tutorial. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more this type of content. So let's get started. So I will create first of all a new composition. The size will be 9020 width and 1080 height, and the frame rate will be 30 frames per second, and the duration will be 12 second long. You can go with any duration, any size or any frame rate according to your preference, but for now I am going with this, and I will change the name to neon logo. So neon logo animation. So after that you can import your logo, but I will type here logo. So this is my logo. So I will make this logo here, and I will change and it to center. If you don't know how to make it into center, you can click on align tab and you can press center it vertically and horizontally both. And after that you can, and for like if you have a logo, so you need to trace your logo, so you can go to layer, and you can first of all you can select your logo layer or your text layer, whatever you have, and then you can go to auto trace layer, auto trace, and here you can change this setting to something like this and click OK. So now you can see, and we logo our text and your logo will be converted into paths, masks. So we need this, and after that I will create a new solid layer by pressing Ctrl Y, and I will change the color to black, and I will name this to Saber, and then I will press enter to OK. And after that I will go to layer effects and go to video copilot, and I will select Saber here. So now you have see our Saber is now created, but we don't want this to be Saber light. We want this to our will want this to affect our logo, our masks. So we can go to customize core, and here we can change this to layer mask, and layer mask is here. And after that we will select our traced logo, and we will press M, and we will select the all mask by pressing shift key. First of all select one and press shift key to select all, and then press Ctrl X to cut it, and then you can go to Saber layer and press Ctrl V or go to edit and paste here. So now you can see our mask is now created on this layer. So you can see our logo is now in neon, in glowing effect. So if you want, so here is a bunch of preset which is very cool. So like if I want, so I will change this to fire. So now you can see my logo is fire, and I will change some of these settings so it will look more cool. So like this. Now if I will play, so you can see how cool this effect is looking just by just in some clicks. So you can make some amazing types of logos with it. Just you need to experiment and use your creative mind. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you like, so make sure to hit a like and subscribe. Bye bye.